2021 was a big year for iBuild. We served 3,841 people between our various community and educational initiatives. Awarded over $4,000 in grants to those wanting to advance their construction careers. Cultivated a safer workforce through 153 new safety certifications. Donated $12,000 worth of tools, technology, and building materials to our community and educational partners. Shared construction career opportunities with 2,250 K-12 students. We couldn't have accomplished any of this without the support of our incredible industry partners. With the immense growth iBuild experienced over the past year, we knew it was crucial to design a strategic plan for the next 3 years. Our strategic vision is focused around 3 main pillars: building people, building partnerships, and building pathways. We've also restructured our membership levels to ensure we're providing the most benefit to our members. Some of the new perks we've added include recruiter workshops specifically geared toward your craft recruiters, Spanish classes for your office and management staff, as well as English classes for your craft workers, State of Construction, where we tackle workforce issues alongside legislators, on-site financial literacy training for field employees, and more. Help us build the future workforce. Join the 2022 membership. You build the projects, we build the pathways, together we build the people.